Hey everyone, this is Tara. Welcome back to episode 9 of Satisfactory. In this episode, we're going to start off by starting advanced steel production. Compared to what we were doing last week, where we wanted to do vehicular transport, I decided to go with this one because I was able to find another iron node near where our steel production is. And also this would allow us to make that encased industrial beam so that we can kind of blow up that boulder that doesn't really need to be blown up anymore, but hey, we get access to it. And another one is this Mark II miner. So we're gonna go with that. So we got active milestone. Let's launch that pod up. Boom, that's gone. And then next thing
reached. Logistics can be improved with a larger storage container, enhanced conveyor belt efficiency, as well as the ability to store excess power for later use. An additional project part can now be constructed. Further progress to the next phase is now possible.
I think that's a bug because it's saying the wrong stuff. Anyway, we've got the Mark II miner. For that, we need more pipes, we need encased, and we need the portable miner. So let's go and start off by coming back here. We probably should take some concrete with us because to make our encased steel beams we need concrete. Oh, wrong one. Oh, the other thing you may notice that I'm very fast right now. In between episodes I went and unlocked the blade runners. To do that, you kind of go through the Caterium unlock passage and you get the blade runners here, which essentially is like exoskeleton boots. Makes you run real fast, can make you jump longer and higher, but it takes a little bit of getting used to. And the other thing we have is zip line. The zip line is a cool little bit of traversal gear. It kind of attaches to any power pole, any power line. And cool thing is the power line doesn't need to be powered. So say if I wanted to put one of those there and then boom, this is not powered, but I can still ride. And yeah, see, boom. Really cool bit of traversal gear. Came out in update 4, was really awesome. In the last episode we did make the modular machine frames. Yeah, we did make the modular machine frames, and in that you see we've already got a good backslog going on. I decided to change up the whole ideology with our smart, whoops, see what I mean, but you have to get used to it. The smart plating, I pretty much made this run full tilt, so may as well have this fill up completely because I think so we'll need more of them as we go forward. So we're going to quickly run over to the steel production and then we will see what we can do there. We also may want to look into just doing the MAM research while we're there. What do we need for the MAM research? Because for the MAM research, we want to do the sulfur research. We've got the object scanners, we've got the cables, we just need to make that encased thing, and then we also need pipes. Okay. So, yeah, the only thing we need encased, and encased we need concrete for. So encased steel beams are just steel beams and concrete. Another thing we'll probably be able to do in a part assembler, so the 2 ingredient part assembler. If you're wondering how I'm sliding and moving so quickly, essentially it's just as you're running, hold crouch and you'll go into sliding. Sliding is a good way to kind of quickly traverse the world. It works a lot faster than running, and you know, why not? So this is that whole platform that I made, kind of bringing us from having that down the floor system up top here. Plus we've got the 4 coal burners there and I've got another 6 up here. I think that should be just giving us enough coal, enough power and everything to kind of sort that one out. We've got a whole bunch of coal going on through here to make our steel. So, you know, we've got a bunch of coal and steel. This is running at 30% efficiency. Main reason for that is because we've got a pure node back there. If you probably... Can we see it? Nope. I wonder. I can zoom in. Yeah, just back there. You can just see it coming across there. Yeah, so that's a pure node. It's producing 120. These things use 45 per instance, and each machine uses 45. So 45 plus 45 is 90, and then to make 120 is another 30. Hence why we've got this one going here. With our increased power, we also have increased our roof at 675, and when we did the whole Caterium research stream, we learned how to make the Caterium ore into ingots, and then the ingots into this quick wire. Quick wire is used for these Mark II poles. Mark II poles, unlike Mark I poles, actually have more connection spots. So as you see, that's a Mark II with 7, and a Mark I has 4. All right, so since all that's been kind of explained, I will quickly grab let's make this is just a El Cheapo setup that I'm just making for a quick thing so that we can start just auto producing some stuff here. It's not supposed to be amazing. It's not supposed to be well balanced. It's just something that we can start making our steel beams and pipes with while we're here, while I'm trying to do the MAM upgrade. So this thing can start making my nope, select recipe beams, and this thing can make pipes. Let's plonk those things on for power. So these things will be doing their stuff. They'll be let's go Mark II to move that out a bit quicker, and then these can be Mark 1s. That's fine. So this will use 60, and this uses 30, so we use 90, and we're producing 120, I think. So we're producing 45, yeah, so we're producing 120. So we will have an excess in our steel, but it's also kind of used up here. We can chuck some of this steel in there, and that. Steel and steel, yep. Alrighty. So I'm gonna quickly go and make just enough stuff for the MAM research. So we're doing the sulfur research for the Nobilis detonator, and then we're going to do the Nobilis explosives. So I'm going to quickly just kind of get that all prepped up myself, because it's going to be a lot of really boring crafting, and then once I'm done there, I will bring you guys back in. So see you in a tick. Okay, so I'm going to start that research into the Nobilis detonator. It's got a 3-minute research. Bugger me. Anyway, let's make one more of the steel beams, and then I'll get back to doing that on... Oh no! What did I do that for? Sort that out. Let's go with that one. Control click, that's what happened. Really, really annoying. And we need steel beams. There. And quick one there. And now we'll do this one. So sulfur, Nobilis detonator, that one. And then when I get all the pipes, we'll do the explosives, and then I'll make a few of them, and then we'll go and blow that boulder up down there. And I mean, we don't really need it right now, but you know, it's there. We can use it if we really need to. But yeah. But with this, it kind of brings me to the next bit of stuff that we will probably want to be doing, and that is that vehicular movement or vehicular transport, and we'll look into that when we get back to the hub. So oh wait, I have enough. Oh, two more minutes left, so I'll be right back. So in building, I didn't notice this, but I have noticed it now. So I thought may as well we go and have an exploration of this while we are together. Not what I wanted to have happen. Away. 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 I have a bad feeling about this. So that can probably be broken somehow. Don't hear monsters? Anyway, this needs what? Crash. Oh, we already opened this one. Oh, okay. Whoops. My bad. I see something on top. Ah, no, that's just thing. Anyway, I'll get back to doing a bit more research and then we'll get caught up in then where we need to do our next bit of kit. So I'll be right back. Alright, so now we're back into our main base. I thought I'd do a quick upgrade here. Nope. Let's quick upgrade that one to that one. Hopefully we got back. Yep, we got back our... Ooh. I just love the sounds and models in this game. It's amazing. Turn that back on. Oh, and then like it has so much weight to it. Oh, that's so cool. And see this motor assembly here? If I remember correctly, we're essentially going to be making those in mass sooner or later. Not that they're going to be, I'm not sure if they're actually going to be using these sort of machines, but yeah. Anyway, we went from, you know, normally producing 120 per minute. Now we're doing 240, which should kind of help us out with our production of everything, really. Because I think we had a little bit of a shortage with what we can produce, which was a bit annoying, but anyway. Yeah, so now everything should be running at 100% efficiency, give or take a little bit. So yeah, that's running at 100. I think so. Our rods are running at 100 as well. So why I'm checking down here more than anywhere else is because these guys are at the end of the whole chain. So generally at the end of the chain, you can start seeing where they start drifting off and not being able to produce what you need to get produced. Anyway, next thing we need to do, we'll do that. So we've got the Nobilis detonator. Next thing we need to do is that guy. Start that one. That'll get done nice and quick. Bang. And yeah, as I said, I'll show you quickly what we need. So the detonator will only need one of. Where is it? So yeah, the detonator will only need one of. I'll make the stuff for it. And the Nobilis, which isn't in here. This is the one that we need to make a bit of. Where did it go? Nobilis. Oh, did I not? Okay, there you go. Now we can see it. So, is it in here? No. So yeah, the detonator we need one of, and then the Nobilis is the one that we need multiple of. So I'll go back and make a few of these things and get our stuff going. We will also get vehicular transport on. Yep, everything's in there. Send that off. And what vehicular...
Milestone reached. Long-range transportation, as well as the construction of outposts, is now encouraged. Vehicle stations have built-in functionality to refuel and restock or collect parts.
All right. So essentially what we've been told there is that now we've access to vehicles. We've got a truck station and a tractor. A truck station is really cool in the simple fact that it's essentially a bulk transport of stuff. So we can transport over here all the steel or whatever we need from back there. And to get it from back there, we need a tractor. For the tractor, we need beacons. Let's go make some beacons. And we'll need some fuel. If I remember correctly. Yeah, we need some fuel. Okay. Because we don't have fuel, we'll go and get that. But the thing is, we need a truck station here. I might actually have to move this far. Because what we'll do... Oh. Did I not break you down? Yes, I did. We'll have to move this guy. What I'll do, I'll essentially... This truck station will be bringing all our steel over, and then over here, we'll be doing our production of steel plates and everything. So, like, you know, I'll get this here, this here. This will be our steel beams. This will be our steel pipes. And then, you know, we'll get another one here. And then we'll push this into an assembler. So, you know, we'll push this into an assembler. Yeah. And this will be making like our encased, right? So, you know, we'll push that in there. And these will be going into their own little storage crates. There. Will you... There. Like, you know, this will go here into that crate. This will go here into that crate. And the stuff from here will be going into there, you know, using our splitters and everything. So let's, yeah, I may as well, because I'm already got everything kind of sort of set up, I may as well kind of get all the foundation work going. Yeah. And that's not right. Because we need this to be coming in from one way and going out the other. That's two Mark 2s. Mark 2s from there. Because these only need 45, we can do Mark 1s. There. 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 And then on this one, because that needs 30 concrete, we can probably also do Mark 1s on this one. We'll do a little lift and that way. Oh, our fella's back. Welcome back, buddy. Anyway, let's go and get some concrete going. Not concrete. Let's go and get our tractor going. Oh, whoops. So we will transportation, truck station. Yeah. Hopefully that's enough room. Yeah, that should be enough room. Okay. So the other thing is, I think so this, let's go put, no. No. We'll put one of you guys here. Make that a Mark 2. And all these can be powered. So yeah, as I said, Mark 2 can have up to 7 connections. So unlike the Mark 1 that caps out at 4, we can have up to 7, which will be quite useful. As we do more and more automation, sometimes you need more and more machines close together. It makes it a bit more better that we have all of them kind of linked up to one, and you can have less you need to have less room to kind of accommodate for the power poles. Yeah, so let's go quickly grab some coal. We'll need to get some coal. We'll set up a truck station on this side as well. They don't need much power, but we'll need to set up a route for a truck as well. So, you know, I guess I'll kill two birds with one stone in this aspect. Remember the sulfur node that we found back here? So I just started using that to produce tickets. As this kind of goes on, you know, we get 660 points per minute. So we've got 2 tickets waiting here, but I used quite a fair few tickets already. I know this is a horrible looking system, but currently I don't have the ability to actually go through that poison field. So anyway, we've got that. We've got to come here. And let's get a truck station. I'm missing cables. No. Anyway, so let's go and take some coal from here. We're gonna build that tractor. We're gonna, oops. So the tractor you can fill, that's a workbench. There you go. Craft bench, but you can fill it also with fuel there. So this is kind of storage area, and then so that's storage area, and you also have a normal crafting bench in there as well. Now we've got a little tractor. So it's really cool that, you know, even our models rendered onto it. And it just kind of provides us that quick bit of movement. And yeah, there's a reason why I made such a wide platform for this, because when we do automation in moving things around, we are going to find out that we're going to need a lot of space. Will this be able to go underneath? And we'll be able to go underneath that. Yes, it does. Awesome. That antenna moves around a lot. Alrighty. It seems we only probably use about 10. And then, you know, this will be dropping whatever it drops. So use 10, so it will be about 20 round trip. This will be, that's to load, that's to unload. Okay, and I need to get some cables. So, too far. Let's get a couple hundred cables. And yeah, we'll connect this up to the concrete manufacturing that we have down there. That's easy. Alright. So, because I don't have the other truck station set up yet, which actually probably brings me to making sure that I have the kit for it. Yep, I do. Alright. So yeah, it seems like we used quite a bit of fuel. Oh, come on, bud. You can do it. You can do it. Because there's 10 coming here. And then I think so use a fair amount more than 10 going back. But what that means, like, because it uses 10 coming here, and it'll probably use about 15 going back, it means that we can still only have to fuel it from the one side, which will be quite good. Will we fit underneath? Yes, we do. Awesome. So I'm not sure exactly how this compares to running, but I think so we can almost run at the same speed this can move around. But positive thing is this is automated, right? So once this is going, this will keep doing that trip without us needing to do it for it. Okay. So let's get that truck station down. We're gonna put that out here. So I want to keep it sort of straight. Yeah. So there. So that this thing is gonna be pushing. Where is it? Logistics Mark II. I'm gonna be putting our steel in here. We'll start to see the steel moving. This is gonna be our fuel. So for our fuel, we can probably should move it a bit forward, huh? Oh wow, we already backed up on steel. Cool. So what I was thinking, we could probably put it out here. Yeah. So we can put our truck station out here. Boom. And then we can do, let's do a lift. And that way. Really? Sometimes I hate these things because, like, oh, you know, I can set this up to go. Wait, that's output. Why is it trying to get my output here? No, I want to input. Yeah, that's a. Oh, that's a merger. That's why. Oh, okay. Well, guess we need a splitter though. And I can probably do with a Mark 1. 2 blips. That goes in there. And then we can go with a Mark 2 from here. Do it there. And now that means this is being filled up with, so this will be putting into the truck. This should be filling up with fuel soon. Ah, we also need power. Whoops. So let's connect that to some power. So now we know to see there's fuel being filled up in here. There's our steel being put into there. This will, you know, push as much steel as it can. And then let's wait until this has at least 20 coal in it. There you go, 20 coal. And what I'll do, I'll put our transport down here. Let's turn it around. There. We're gonna put some coal in here first. Right? And now, I think so if you press, nope, not E, V, yeah. So now we press V and now we're gonna start recording. So we're gonna start recording our thing. Okay. And now we're gonna move this way. Essentially just telling it that we move this way, we're gonna go through here. Might want to widen this part of the road up a bit more. Yeah, I'm probably gonna widen this part of the road up a bit more, just to make sure. I didn't think these things were so bumpy. I thought foundations were actually supposed to make this a pretty smooth ride, but then again, it is going through a lot of sections. We go down here. we just have to go here. This will take stuff from it. And now we're just gonna go back. And now this is the rough part, you know? But good thing is, like, it will use more fuel going back. And that, I guess, is okay. Purely for the simple fact that since we're going to be moving 60 into the loading bay, we will be able to get more than the amount of fuel that we need for the trip. And now back this way. Overlap our line a bit. Alrighty, we're almost there. And of course, you know, if you have multiple different tractors doing this trip, you probably don't want to be overlapping as much. And then we can do this here. What was it? V. Finish recording. All right. So now we can see here, this has got a pause node. We can probably delete this node. Delete this pause node here. Yep. So it's gonna go through here, go to this node. Yep, come through here. It's gonna, where's the pause node here? So maybe this node, edit node. Why is there the double? Okay. Yeah, so wait time, let's put this wait time to 10, right? Confirm, and then it'll start going and doing a thing. So now we go here, enable autopilot, and we get out, it will start doing its thing. Nope. That's supposed to be loading, right? No. Vehicle, come back here. Disable autopilot, yep. And blue path. All right. Let's start this again. All right, I'm gonna quickly go and do this one. Actually, considering the time, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and quickly make sure this is done right, and then in the next episode, we'll continue on with the automation of the encased steel. Oh no, you come back. So yeah, in the next episode, does that mean load? Right? So if I go in here, sorry, I'm going a bit over time, but I just wanted to quickly work this out. Okay. So that does mean load. Anyway, so yeah, that's gonna be us for today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode. Catch ya.